Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Doable, how to create a website for your event photography and videography business on Doable isn't quick. So first, type Doable on the search. So as we know, Doable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So first, we know also you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any name you want. Just any name, any business name you want. For example, like this. Now enter your industry. And now select your enter your location and choose your website language and click here create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section on the website, the header of the website. Here you can change the name, the site name. If you want, you can turn this on and upload a file, turn the logo on. If you want to change the label or add a new label, here if you want to add a link, and if you want to manage your social links, here if you want to add the channel, just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, you can turn this on. If you want to manage the size of the social icon or the shape, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. If you want to add any section on the website, just select the section you want. That's it. Let's move on. The next section is the banner of the website. If you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you want to regenerate it, just click here and it will be changed. Here if you want to turn this on and add a new label or add the link. So I'm gonna turn this off and let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The gallery of the website, you can change this if you want. Here if you want to generate a new image, so if you want to upload a photo from browser, for example like this, now let's pick some images from browser. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to upload or choose image from from library or from here, for example, let's pick some another image from here. I'm gonna choose this. So save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text of the website. You can regenerate it if you don't like it. If you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, here if you want to manage alignments or spacing or background. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list of the website. If you want to edit it, you can edit it from here. You can change this if you don't like it. If you want to manage display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here if you want to manage list items, and here you can add the list item. You can generate image. If you want to manage or edit the image position. If you want to generate title, here if you want to generate content, you can edit the size or the type of the writing here. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials of the website. You can add testimonial. You can generate the code. You can generate by who. And here if you want to upload an image or a file, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section, the location section of the website. You can change this if you want. Here if you want to change the business address, here if you want to add text file, you can add the title or the content. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the contact form section of the website. You can regenerate the contact form. If you want here to edit the type of the writing, if you want to manage files, and here if you want to custom input labels, just turn this on and it will be, you can manage the custom input label settings. Here if you want to generate form success message. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section of the website. The last section on the website, the footer. You can change the business name if you don't like it. If you want to turn this on and upload a file, if you want to add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. If you want to turn this on and add a new label or add a link, if you want to manage the social links, here if you want to add channel, just select the type or the link here. So that's it. Let's close this. If you want to regenerate the content of any section you want, just select the content like this and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style of any section, just select the style and it will be changed. Also, if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like it, just click on it and it will be changed. So if you want to duplicate this section, just click here and it will be duplicated. If you want to delete it from here, just click on this icon of delete. If you want to move it up or move it down like this. So now let's save this and wait a few seconds to generate or publish your website, your business website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. Just click here and it will be published. So that's how to create and design or edit your business website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.